If you're craving modern minimalism with campus proximity in the bustle of New York Prospect 271 is your perfect match. This luxe 7-bedroom apartment has it all. From a cozy bed, sweet study nook, and roomy closet to a fully equipped kitchen to kick off your chef era. All utilities are included in your rent, so no surprise bills. Start your day in the gym. Then hit the community lounge with speedy Wi-Fi to focus on your books. Recharge with golden hour views outdoors or catch a movie in the cinema room. And laundry facilities are on site, so say goodbye to tiring laundromat hauls. You can also enjoy monthly breakfast, weekly cleaning services, ongoing staff support, and maintenance services in your new home if you wish. Best of all, CUNY Hunter College and New York University are just moments away by car, so getting to class is effortless. And with buses on Nostrand Avenue or the subway at Church Avenue, exploring the Big Apple is seamless. Prospect 271 New York is perfect for you. So go ahead, secure your spot via amberstudent.com today.